everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about shopping at Heathrow Terminal 3, and I'm going to show you some of the items I got, how I got them, and I'll do a little unboxing as well. So I took a trip to London, and my most favorite part, I think, was shopping at Terminal 3 at Heathrow right before I left. I had some vouchers from converting Emirates miles into £5 Heathrow vouchers, and so the first thing I did is I went to the world of duty free, went right to the Chanel section, and I will show you what I got. Basically, I got these for free. First thing is a blush, number 72 in rose initial. See if I can get that out for you to show you. Comes in a nice case. Try to open this up without breaking it. There it is. There's the color. Oops, that fell out. And then the second thing I got was the Chanel Chance body spray. Put that up closer there for you. I haven't opened it yet, but it just smelled so wonderful in the store. And honestly, it was free, so I thought I had to use up all my vouchers or they would expire. So that's what I got, and I got this lovely box as well. So shopping at Heathrow, I went straight to my lounge. I actually took a shower and then left my stuff right in the lounge and came down to the Chanel boutique. The current Chanel boutique is being renovated, so they have one, I guess, temporarily located next to the Harrods. So I walked right in, I met the sales associate, I got right down to business. Didn't really exchange any pleasantries. I said, hi, I'd like to buy a mini Chanel bag. It's my first Chanel bag. I have the O pouch, but it's my first Chanel bag, and she was very helpful, very nice, very accommodating. She showed me 4 color choices. There were 3 classic rectangular minis, and then another red one that was not a classic but a nice miniature size bag. I had initially wanted black, but of course there were none in the store. And to be honest, in the Chanel boutiques where I am, the only colors available were a coral color and sort of a turquoise color that I thought would be out of style very quickly, so I didn't want to get them locally. So I made my purchase, and I'm going to have you unbox it with me. So first thing is first, here's the receipt. Put that up there. You can't really see it, but it's got an embossed camellia flower. It says Chanel. I paid in pounds 2,170 pounds for this bag, and that converts into US dollars of about 2,687 today. That's without the tax, of course. So we are seeing this together for the first time. I cannot wait. This is a little ribbon, cloth ribbon that says Chanel on it. Here's the bag. I had a hard time getting this bag into my luggage, so I didn't have to lug it through the plane or the airport, but I made it happen. Here's the box. So as you can see, turn this around, it's wrapped very nicely. Once again, the ribbons and the camellia flower. Let's see. Okay, it's stuck on like that. Do this. Can you guess what color I picked up? Well, about to show you. Here you go. Nicely wrapped in the tissue paper. This is the dust cloth, and I believe this is a pamphlet right here. Some more tissue paper. I just just love how they do all the folding. Here's the dust bag, and here she is. Oh my God, she's so gorgeous. So I got the light gray lambskin mini rectangular flap. Here's the outside. It's with silver hardware. Here's the pouch in the back with the Mona Lisa smile. I'm gonna open it up for you. Let's move this box actually. There we go. Opens up really nicely. Here's the chain, show you the length. It's quite long. You can open it up. Here's the inside. The inside's actually leather. If I can, I'm going to put a picture of the other color options I had. The rectangular minis are all leather on the inside, and the other one was actually cloth on the inside, and I wasn't really interested in that. So, I believe the authenticity card should be in here somewhere. I hope it is. Oh, here it is. Comes with the authenticity card. Right here. Stick that back in there. Oh, it's just beautiful. And if you're wondering what I can put in it, I will show you. Here's my cell phone. And here's my wallet. Car keys. It's like some gum. And lastly, I've got my Tylenol and Advil for the just in case. That goes in really nicely. Closes up. I just love it. And it's a little heavy with all this stuff. Let's take this box away. 1 second. You can see where it sits here. Right, here's my hip bone. Sits a little lower than my hip bone. I am 5'2". Kind of matches what I'm wearing today. I am just in love with this bag. I got a neutral color because I thought it would last longer. And definitely got it at Heathrow so that I could avoid paying the tax. And of course, in Europe, Chanel bags tend to be cheaper. I did try to use, incidentally, the personal shopper option at Heathrow. I found that they were not helpful at all after several email exchanges. I didn't get any luck for them even looking for a bag. I know someone who's used the service before, and they gave me their personal shopper's contact information. I contacted her through WhatsApp, and I asked for a specific bag. It was a black version, not of this rectangular mini. And she simply said they didn't have it, and then that was it. She stopped communicating with me. So if you've had better luck with that, I congratulate you on that. But I just happened to go in, and there were several colors available. The essay was super nice. The transaction was done pretty quickly, and overall, I'm just thrilled. I'll show you some more details of the bag too. So here you go, silver here. Does not say Chanel along the grommets, unfortunately. Let's see if it says it anywhere else. Don't actually, oh, right here. Chanel Paris. And I think that's about it. The inside, oh, I can show you the inside with all my stuff. There it is, pretty easy. And the zipper does say Chanel on it, of course. And that's about it. Oh, the plastic is still on this. That's fantastic. I'll try to take that off here. Even better. There we go. All right. Well, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.